I'm here, and I need to open up the thingy thingy because I can see what you guys are saying. I guess. Opening up the thingy thingy, opening up the thingy thingy, opening up the thingy thingy, making it less complicated. Okay, that's not what I want to click. Oh, yes, it is. Okay. Test. Okay. And hi. Hiya. Low battery guy. Yeah, now I can see ya. Eating out. All set. I think I got it working. I'm only streaming on 2 platforms today because I didn't feel like fighting it. So if I am correct, if my system is working as it should, the voting system should work. I hope. I hope. I hope. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. 4 seconds or less. What? I thought I fixed that already. Settings. I thought I did that already. Output. Yeah, keyframe interval 4. I said 4. Why are you saying that? I already did that. What's going on with you? Okay, we need to fix this. Why aren't you saying that it's not going through? Output settings. See, if I have to switch back to using stream elements, I am going to be quite upset. Is that 3? Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, so found you now. 4. Okay. Did that fix it? I hope. Let me stop it and restart it. Maybe that'll work. Hopefully it'll be within a few seconds, I hope. Let's see if it fixes. 4? What do you mean 4? Can be 4. Let me refresh and see. I did change the frequency. 4 keyframe intervals. Keyframes? Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Okay, the thingy went away. Okay. Yay, I fixed it. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't know. I don't see anyone else coming in, so I guess I'll just be here by myself. And hopefully someone might drive by. I don't know. But until then, I will just wonder why this thing is loud. Do I have my microphone on this time? Yep. Is my microphone working? I don't. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, it is. Now I need to check one more thingy. I need the other thingy. YouTube output. Sure, it checks you. Blurring canvas. Audio. Track 2. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay. And make sure my other audio is not going to be a boo-boo head because I don't want it to hiccup me. Where's my music? Do I have the music here? Oh yeah, I don't have it on the screen. Darn it. Oops. So where is it? Oh, I see now. That's where you are. I found you. Oh my gosh. That's not good. We're not going to do that. Stop. Stop. Why are you looking at the ceiling? I'm right down here. My camera was looking way up there instead of looking at me. I don't know. I am invisible to logic and thingies. Let me pause you. So we got that working the way I want it. Yay. Huh? Did I break something again? I think I broke something again. Okay. 1 hour. I have no idea. My channel is crazy. I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. No times it works. Nothing ever works. Everything never works. And I am too late to start streaming, so that's why no one's showing up. So I will have to do my project instead. I will do a. I'll choose option number 4 because no one is here to say otherwise. Oh well, because there's no viewers, make a choice. Except for the bot race, that's a different bot. So I want to go back and I want to set my browser to show something here. Properties. Okay, I'm gonna hide the vote because no one's here to vote. Oh god, did I break it again? I think I did. Take off that. Oh, turn on that. Oh, hide that. Okay. And can I show that? Yeah. Okay. So my task at this point, because there's no one here to tell me otherwise, is to set up Marbles on Stream to work with all my platforms. So as you see, I have I don't have it. I'm only streaming on Kick and YouTube, so I could actually test its effectiveness without having to worry about Twitch being in the mix. So I wanted to work on all my other platforms. I can use Social Stream Ninja, and Streamerbot. No, I am not going to. Why you guys got to keep spamming me with that? Come on, you don't need to spam me. I am not going to accept being promoted because I suck. I am not worth promoting. I am not. Okay, so let's see here. I'm looking for video here. So I go to the beginning and find out what the static is. Why can't I just find this on YouTube? I want to find the actual YouTube page.
Streamerbot for the actions and the commands. You'll find that in the description of this video or in the import section of wherever you're watching this video. So you'll take the text.
Oh god, that's a lot of text.
From the import code, copy it.
This is the import code?
Go over here to Streamerbot. Hit the import button.
Hold on. Get those closed captions out of your face.
Paste it in here. You should see the name Haunter's Marbles on Stream for YouTube with 3 actions and 3 commands.
Okay, hold on. I need to input the code first. I ain't ready yet. So let's see. Oh, hi, Quay. How are you? I was about to test something out. There's a way for me to set up Marbles on Stream to work for everybody on all my platforms, I think. Well, at least from 4 of my platforms. So I was going to go ahead and test this out. I need to get my Streamerbot open. Oh god. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Why has this never worked when I wanted to? Okay, hide the browser. Oh, the browser's in the way. That's why. Okay. So the first thing they told me to do was to get their code, which I got. I need some music though. I need music. I'm only streaming this on YouTube and Kick today, so I don't want to do all the other ones because it's not worth the effort. So I just wanted to listen to some jams. What was I was just listening to? Does it recognize what I was listening to before? No. Come on. There you are. Okay. Okay, I might get in trouble for that. So I could actually do that, huh? Okay, it's nice to know. Let me turn you off. So I could actually do that. I could actually make the audio from whatever window I have selected be active. It's nice to know I can do that. Okay. So get back to you. He said to take the code, which is, yeah, they said they got the code that was on their GitHub, which I copied and copied it, and they want me to post it into Streamerbot. So let's go for import. And import the string, which is a lot of data. A lot of data was in that. Okay. Import. The commands that are being imported will be set to disable. Be sure to edit these commands to enable them and set any permissions desired. That is a good feature. That is a good feature, just in case you add a code that's actually malicious. Okay. So where is it? Okay. What you got? Uh-oh, it's not reading my thingy. Do I have it here or do I have it here? Okay. Marbles. Well, he named it Marbles Video, but I'm going to name it Marbles. We'll find out. So, we need to open up our desktop. Okay. That's something entirely different. Okay. And save as. Where am I going to put this thing at? Well, obviously, I'm going to put it in. I should put it in OBS plugins, but no. I want to put it somewhere I can remember. So, I use this folder for everything, streaming wise, so why not? Actually, why did I put that there? I put that in assets. Okay, special scripts, special scripts. The music isn't too loud, is it? Or you can't hear it on. Hopefully, you're not hearing it on YouTube. Please tell me you're not hearing it on YouTube. And what did you say to call it? Marvelsvideo.csv. Okay. Well, he changed the name of it, so I'm just going to marbles.csv because he does that later. Okay. Okay, so we have a file, marbles.csv, because he's going to rename it later, so yeah. Make sure that it's saved as that, otherwise it's going to have a problem. Summer days. Special scripts. Okay, good. It is a CSV file. Good. Oh no. No! I didn't want to open up Excel. No! But it's nice to know that's how it's organized. Okay. That's how it's going to be organized, huh? Okay. At least I know it's valid. Ooh. I really need to start charging my headphones again. This shortened headset is not helping me. Okay. What's next? Wait a second. Let me check something. Can I do that? Let me test something out.
Go to the sub action of set argument, double click, and this value here is where you're going to update the file to that CSV file location.
Okay, hold on. So it's the action for start marbles list. It's going to be what's changing. And I had to mark it to that file. See, he called it marbles CSV, so that's why I'm doing that. Let's see if I can do it. What are you at, Streamerbot? Now, what is the file? Okay. So now, let's hide. Let me do something real quick. My window needs to change something real quick. Where's my window screen? There we go. I think I got it now. I fixed it. Okay. So it said to change this to match the path I have. So, luckily, I was smart enough to open that sucker somewhere. Where? I don't know. There it is. But I had to change all the dashes to match the sides. So the dashes are going in the wrong direction because it's a local file, not a net file. So I'm changing the direction of all of them. Okay. Okay, that's taking care of that. Now, for what's the next step?
Make sure that when you update it that you use those forward slashes that are found in here, not just copying and pasting the Windows File Explorer location. Once you've updated that, hit OK. The next thing you want to do is probably just copy this, copy sub action, move down to the user command action.
Okay, hold on. I gotcha. User command option. Where you at? Copy. Copy sub action. User command. Okay. I'm guessing we're going to paste this. And we're replacing this with that. I think it's what he did last time. Yes.
And the easiest thing I found is just to paste here. Move this to the top with your updated address and delete the old one.
Yep,
Easiest
did that.
that way. You could go in here and double click and update the address, but easier the other way. The last thing you need to do is this write to file sub action. Double click here. And on this write to file to, you're going to want to hit these three dots and you'll find that Marbles Race CSV that you had before and you created and save it as there. If it asks if you want to replace it, then you just
Marvel's
hit yes.
Race. I didn't make a Marvel's
And that's
Race.
really all the setup that you need. All right.
Wait, why did I make a Marvel's Race? Did I miss a step? I don't remember you saying anything about making Marvel's Race CSV. That's 2 times he changed his title. He changed his titles 3 times now. First he said he wanted Marvel's Video. Then he said Marvel's. Then he said Marvel's Race. So, I don't know which one she's looking for. Do I need a separate file called Marvel's Race?
Let me show you how this works. So we have our 3 commands here.
Let me see.
Have each of your live stream viewers. Viewers have only if
Actually, do you have a transcript? I need to find out. Do you have a transcript? Did I miss something? Yeah, he didn't. There's 3 different files he's referenced in this video already, and he only had us make 1 file. So I'm trying to find out where did you say that? I don't want that transcript. Let me look at that transcript. CSV. Nope. All the times it says CSV. I go back. And the first time he mentioned marbles, he mentioned a CSV file. It was at 122. Let's step back there.
called text files. Go ahead and create one. Let's go to new text document. We're going to name it Marbles Video.
See, he has Marvel's Race in there already.
CSV. Make sure to name it CSV. And when it asks if you want to change the file name because it might become unstable, then that's fine. Now,
and he made that like at 3:38 p.m.
You're going to need it. The next step is you're going to want to go to the Start Marbles List action. Go to the sub action of Set Argument. Double click. And this value here is where you're going to update the file to that CSV file location.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but on the screen it says marbles.csv. That's the second file he's mentioned that has a CSV. Now remember, he only told us to make one file, okay?
Make sure that when you update it that you use those forward slashes that are found in here, not just copying and pasting the Windows File Explorer location. Once you've updated that, hit OK. The next thing you want to do is probably just copy this. Copy sub action. Move down to the user command action. And the easiest thing I found is just to paste here. Move this to the top with your updated address and delete the old one.
Okay, we did that already.
You could go in here and double click and update the address, but easier the other way. The last thing you need to do is this write to file sub action.
This also says Marvel says CSV.
Write to file to.
See, Marvel says CSV.
And you'll find that Marbles Race CSV that you had before and you created.
I didn't create that. You didn't tell us to create that.
If you want to replace it.
See, he has Marvel's CSV, Marvel's Race.csv, and Marvel's Video.csv.
Let me show you how this works.
But he only told us to make one.
We have our 3 commands here: close marbles, marbles, and start marbles. Something I didn't mention in the past was that you will probably want to change the user permissions here so that it only allows your...
Okay, yeah, you're getting ahead of me. So I'm going to assume that all of these are going to the same file. I'm going to assume that. Because the only thing that makes any sense. So hello. Look at this. His script says, write to file, marvelsrace.csv. It says it in his script. His script says, write to file, marvelsrace.csv. So I gotta fix that, so. It's still going to his path, too. Okay. So, we're gonna go here. Go back to where we were. And assume that it's still gonna be marvels.csv. I want to assume it. Okay? Make sure there's no other mention of it. Okay. Yeah? 1 second. I didn't hear you. I had turned it off because I didn't know it was going to be cold again. I had to turn it back on though. 18? Sheesh. I'll do it now. I needed that. Sorry about that. I'm back. Thank you for banning that. Okay. 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 Paste that. I'm going to set it up a little more what he asked for. I'm going to set it up where it's going to send messages to my other platforms that are tied to this as well. So, it means, not that. I want to add kick. Channel, chat, send message channel. So the message that is sending to YouTube is going to be sitting here as well. So I am right. They are using the exact same title there. Okay. add Trovo chat. Send this to the channel. Okay, and to Twitch. Chat. Twitch. Come on. I need all this. Come on. Okay. So that way, I do the same for the bot message. Okay, we don't need that text right there. We can adjust that a little bit. Copy that. And do the same. Add. Kind of my favorite sub action. Sheesh. I wish I could learn how to do it with. I forgot how to do it again. Okay. Twitch channel. A chat. Send message to channel. Okay, and add Trovo and Kit. Okay. How do I sub? I forgot how to add my sub actions. I need to remember how to do that again. I got Twitch and I got YouTube. I don't have Trovo though. What do you mean not connected? Trovo's not connected? Well, Trovo is connected. What are you talking about? Okay, add. Okay, we got YouTube. All it is Kick. Chat. Send us this channel. Okay. So I want to add the favorites. Yeah, I want Kick messages, Trovo messages, Twitch messages, YouTube messages. There we go. Hopefully it works. Okay. So there's another thing I need to do before he tells me to do the next step, because this is all setting up to work only on YouTube, but I'm going to set it up where it works on all my platforms. So we're going to go to commands, and there we go. Sources. Okay, Twitch messages, yes. Trovo messages, Kick messages. Hopefully someday Social Stream Ninja Net messages. Cross my fingers. I really want them to add Social Stream Ninja to this. If they do, it's gonna be unstoppable. I should say Twitch share chat too, but I don't stream with anyone, so it's not gonna help as much, but yeah. Okay, so we got that. Oh, yep, this is going to be the same sources. Twist messages. Provo Kick. Okay, I think I see what it is. I want this to be used by everyone. But Start Marbles is going to be used only by me on one of these platforms. So, I'll go for moderators. Yep, anyone who's a moderator should be able to start a marbles game. That's what I want to try. Well, at least start the queue. Because practically what we're doing is we're pre-filling the listing before I actually start the match. And then I set it as a simulation, but it'll be pre-filled with the number of people who are in the batch. Okay, so now we got that done. All of them are set up. Oh, yeah, close marbles needs to be done by me too. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what he wants me to do next. I don't know.
Your user to trigger the start marbles and close marbles commands.
Okay, so it would want me to be the user. Okay, so I read that wrong. Okay. Well, no, I want moderators to do it. Yeah. Well, I might as well add myself just to be on the safe side. User permissions. Oh, God. Okay, that's nice to know. I can actually search myself. And I will select only myself. Hey, excuse you? Why you only add one? Sheesh. Why give me the option to select one, and then you only select multiple, but you only put in one? That ain't right. Of course, what I'm going to do is actually link it all up into a Stream Deck button. So it was actually going to do this for me, so I don't even have to worry about it. But if I want to type it in, I could do that too. Or if I want a moderator to do it, they have that power too. Okay, start, and I gotta do the same. Nope. And that's I. Okay. Okay, so we got that all set up. Now what do you want me to do?
That way you don't have regular viewers starting this and it doesn't add confusion for your mods. So I'm going to go over here and we're going to type in command start marbles. We should see a message pop up. Use marbles to add your name to the marbles game list. You will get a chat confirmation once you're added. So I'm going to add myself using the command marbles. And I got a confirmation message that I have been added to the marbles list. Let me add one more.
Okay, hold on. Two things. First, I need to start up marbles. That would actually help if I actually had the game running, right? Oh god, I haven't installed it? Oh, it was installed on the bad drive. Okay. That ain't good. Well, let's see, it's only 9 gigabytes, so put it on my external. It might take a few moments, just 9 megabytes, I think. So while it does that, I'm going to do the test that he just mentioned here. So I'm going to use my kit chat here and see if it works. I want it to work here. Start marbles. Did I do it wrong? Did I miss a step? Or this is only reading from from YouTube? I don't know. I think it might be only reading it from YouTube, which kind of sucks. Because I want it to be triggered from multiple sources. Well, let me see. Let me see. You should have had a chat message that showed up. So let me try it on YouTube and see if that's the case. Okay. That's not doing what it told me to do. That's not what I asked for. So, did I do something wrong? Or they're all disabled. They're still disabled. That's why. I. Okay. Okay, I'm going to test this out. I think I just need to have start marbles and close marbles enabled and start disabled. Let's see. We'll try to do kick first, because that's where I really want to see it. No. Okay. That's not good. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Let's try this. Where's that marbles that CSV file we had? Let's open it up. I don't see anything changing. It still has 0 bytes. Okay. I have a feeling this guy only sets it out to work on YouTube with his script, which is a huge bummer. Let me see. Fresh. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Wait a second. It's supposed to. Wait a second. You know what? You make me angry. You make me angry here. Come on. Let's do this here. Don't fight with me here. I will kick your butt. Marbles. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Oh man. No, it has not added text to it. Not from Kick. So let's try it through YouTube. I lost where YouTube was. MARBLES. Refresh. Hey, we have a kilobyte. We have data change. Aha. So, his script only works on YouTube. Okay. So what's wrong with your script here? Why is it only adding it to YouTube? Adding from YouTube. Why not Kick? What have you done? Oh, let's look at your C# code here. Okay, well I get that, but what about the marbles section? Marbles command. Okay. So how are you getting the code for the user? Unless let's check something here. Commands. Models. No cooldowns. Sources are still this. Well, all. No permissions. Exclamation point marbles. I should change it. Maybe I should change the command. I don't know. How about this? Join. Make that as a command as well. Just to see if it works. Wait a second. Where's my action history? Command triggered marbles. Check. Command source YouTube. Okay. Command type message. Okay, got the data for the stream. User. So why didn't I read it for the kick users though? Hey, that's still gotta fix that. User exists false. Marbles file, execute it. So how is it saying user exists false? User sponsor false, okay. Well, input, well, escape, coder. User type YouTube. See, it's not calling for any of those variables. Well, let me see. Maybe because I started it twice. Maybe. Ending actions? No. Commands? No. Let's try something crazy. Go back to actions. And let's do a test trigger. And see if it comes up with something entirely different. Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan? The heck? How did you get that data? Where did you get that name from? Oh. And look at that. It actually populates for me. Okay. Hi, JL. How you are ya? Can you test something for me? Type in exclamation point join and see if something works for me. I'm trying to see if I can force this thing to do something. I need to see exclamation point join. See what happens. I'm trying to find out why this thing isn't working. Okay. Why is it not writing it? It's not reading it from Kick. Why is it not reading from Kick? Okay. Oh, Kick broadcaster is not connected. Okay. don't know. Let me stop Streamerbot and try to restart it. Maybe that might fix it. Because technically it should have actually read it, because usually my kick scripts work. But it's not reading any commands from kick. And it should. I'm going to test it out from Trovo next and see if that works. Trovo and Twitch. So let's see here. Social Screen Ninja. Can I open up my Twitch chat first? I join. Hey, join is not working. Okay. Wait a second. User exists. Maybe that's why. See, I'm doing that from Twitch, so it definitely should work. But I think it's because I've already added to the listing. So I'm going to erase the list. Control S. And we'll try it now. Oh, really? Let's try that again. Uh-huh. There I am. Okay, so that is working. So I will delete this. Control save. And let's try it through Kick now. And see if it's something wrong with Kick or if it's something wrong with... Actually, no, let me try Trovo. Trovo. Because if it works on Trovo, then I know it's something wrong with Kick. Oh, God. Oh, fine, boo-boo head. Make me fight over all this. Sheesh. This is my channel. And I'm going to say... Hey, it's not working for Trovo. Is it because I'm not live? Let's save it. No? Okay, so Trovo doesn't want to work either. And what about you? Okay, so Trovo doesn't want to work. Okay, I saw that there was an error with Trovo. So now let's try to Kick one more time. Okay. Wait. Did that do it? Did it do it? I think it did. I think it did. Try it now. Someone else try it out. Try it out. Let me see if it works. Try it one. Someone try it from Kick. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Because if this works, I can use the write to file system for other stuff. Holy macaroni! Holy macaroni! Okay. We got one step in front of the bread line. We got people. Okay. So now let's see what the next step was. And let's see. Okay. We're on the good track here. We're pulling off the impossible.
I have a bot account that I can use and add marbles, and you should see the chat here coming up. So we have the test bot here, and we got the bot message, hey, test bot, you have been added to the marbles list. So now there's 2 of us in here. If you have a lot more viewers, it'll work a little bit better. I only have 2 for testing right now and the demonstration. Then what I'll do is I'll do close marbles, and that should give us a confirmation message that the list is closed, that the entries are now closed. You can activate these through voice commands as well, or just text commands, whatever you want to do. Now that we have everyone entered on the list, we will go into the marbles game.
And if I'm right,
so here we have
it would actually keep everyone in the listing. So even if we won't have to actually re-add it.
Bottom right corner, we're going to hit the settings bar, go to add names, and we're going to open here a file. So when we hit open, it'll take us to a window where we can find our file. I'm going to go down into my text files here.
Okay, so let's try this out. Let's see if the game is finished downloading yet first. Unscheduled. Wait, corrupt disk? What the hell? Excuse you, it's not a corrupt disk. It's my disk. What do you mean corrupt disk? Come on. How can you say it's corrupt when you only downloaded 4.0 gigabytes of it? Okay, I need to uninstall the Neo 3 demo because tomorrow I will be playing Neo 3, not the demo, the actual game. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. Maybe I should just download it to a different directory. Well, if it crashes again, I just put it on my C drive. Might be a little bit laggy for the next 5 minutes, but let's see if it works. 5 minutes is all I need. Until then, I'm going to go and make a quick duddy with some hydrate drink. Give me a sec. Where's my water bottle? All the time I have water bottles, they're everywhere, but now when I need one, I can't find it. I can't understand. Okay, hold on. There you are. Oh, and you already have water in you. That helps a lot. Oh, look at that. Hotel Barcelona has an update. Hollow Knight has an update, and Marvel Rivals has an update. I have yet to stream Marvel Rivals. I haven't had to play Marvel Rivals, but I have it ready whenever I do finally play it. I just need to fill up for it, that's all. But yes, if I'm right, and I can use this write to file system to send data to a text file, then I could set it up where drawings could be easier. We could actually have drawings that way. I could actually have more features that would actually work across platforms. Okay, it did say corrupt disk. God damn it. Okay. So I'll just install it to my C drive. Manage. Uninstall. Okay, how do I stop this? Okay, can I uninstall it? Okay, it's just uninstalling. Just uninstall, will you? I need to install it now. Why does it take so long to uninstall? It's only 4 gigabytes. Usually it takes less time than that. But I'm guessing that I'll be having this fixed pretty soon because I just ordered a another internal hard drive to replace the one that was broken, so I can go back to installing things on my internal hard drive again. Yeah, I need those 4 gigs, okay? My problem was when I put in my new graphics card, the SATA chip broke with the piece inside of it. So it actually broke part of the actual chip within the drive, so it can't access any of the information there. And I lost a lot of data there. A crap ton of the data. Whether it can be saved or not, I don't know. But I'm not going to invest money into it for now. And also, if anyone needs a 3070, I'll probably sell it. Was it 3070 or 3060? I think it's 3060. Yeah, 3060. I'll probably can sell it. Okay, you're just ticking me off. Manage. Browse local files. Can't I just browse the local files, just delete it myself, because you're pissing me off. Shouldn't take this on the uninstall game. That was the problem I've been having with the Windows Update ever since that they started screwing up with the Windows updates. Installing and uninstalling things have been really, really hard for me. So I have to like shift things around. Yes, this is empty. Why are you acting stupid? Just delete. Okay, let's shut down Steam for a moment. Okay, there we go. Install to my C drive. Yeah, that should work. Both my C drive and my SSD drive or external drive is a SSD, so it shouldn't take too long. Hopefully. But hopefully she down without. I don't understand why it says it's corrupted. Unless I need to find a better hub system. Maybe I have it, or I need to plug it into a different port, so it won't have so much busy traffic. I don't know. Can you guys hear this bottle shaking? Can you guys hear me shaking my dubby? I found that the best way to measure out the water you need for a dubby is to get like a 16-ounce bottle. Usually a Snapple bottle is perfect for it. Fill it up with water and then take 1 scoop. That's the best mixture I've tasted with it. Okay, what's taking us so long to start the download? I don't understand. Let's close up Steam. I don't trust you, Steam. You're acting stupid. You shouldn't take that long just to start a download. That means something sus going on. Speaking of sus, do I have anything running in the background? It's gonna shut me down? Okay. Close that. I don't need Adobe Acrobat running right now. Thank you. Just testing my icons. You're not doing any scans, are you? Okay, you're not scanning either. Okay. Not that. So why is it acting stupid? Oh God. I broke stuff. Yeah, it was Sandy Infinite, right? I broke it again. I totally broke it. Okay. Um, process watcher. What? File tails. Timers. I don't know what those are. Wait a second. What was that? Oh, you're telling me this was something I could have enabled? Is that why my YouTube music thing never worked? You piece of crap. That might be exactly why it's not working. I tried a instructions for a YouTube music system where people could actually add music to a playlist using my YouTube music. And I could never figure out why it never worked. Now I see it had a timer that was never enabled. I don't see anything about enabling a timer. Like, what the hell? Oh, don't forget, you can still do exclamation point B duel, and it will start a match, a fight. You guys can battle it out. And it'll actually take over the screen, I think. Is it on the screen or not? I don't remember. I think it is. Might be a bad idea though, because it might interfere with not playing a game or something. But I'll figure it out. Okay, so let's see. Steam, will you load it? Why haven't you loaded yet, Steam? I did open Steam, right? What the hell? Okay. Okay. We'll turn on some music while I'm waiting. Okay. Where is Steam? Where the hell is Steam? I don't even see Steam. Okay, Task Manager. Where's Steam? I don't know where it went. Okay, so you're stalling. I don't know why. I suspect it has to do with that 32-bit mess. Why are you still running? I said shut it down. Let's try it again. Well, that's what I pushed a button. Okay, there we are. Oh, guys, how you like my background? This is my actual background from when we were playing Stellar Blade. Hey, why you have to cover it up like that? What way? Don't hide Eve like that. How dare you? Load it up. Load it up. Load it up. Okay. Question. Are you hearing music on Twitch? I'm sorry, are you hearing music on Kick or are you hearing music on YouTube? Hopefully you should be hearing music on Kick, but not YouTube. I hope. It usually doesn't take this long. What's going on here? It usually doesn't take this long. Especially considering we had it just open a moment ago. Could be something wrong with Steam? Mm-hmm. Hmm. It was down 2 days ago. I don't know. Okay, not on YouTube. Good, because that's what I'll be in trouble for. I don't know. It shouldn't be taking this long. And shut that down. Make sure nothing else is running that's not supposed to. Try it again. No, that's not what I asked for. See, now I have. What the hell, Windows? Why do you have 3 versions of it open? It's not even let me end it. Okay. Okay. Try this now. Let's see if I can force it open. Force it to the website, maybe. Do I want to do this? Do I want to do this? Should I get nice day for fishing? And under night in birth. I'm tempted. I'm so tempted. Hopefully that's the only things I'm tempted by. Mm-hmm. I am tempted for that one too. But not as much as I am for this. How many second season passes do I have? Do I have? Am I missing any? See, that's why I kind of like Tekken more than Unfortunately, I had to say DOA because at least Tekken lets me get everything within a simple season pass instead of thousands of DLCs like Dead or Alive 6 had and Dead or Alive 7 had. You did? Aw. I didn't even know you had this one. I used to have Silent Hill 2. When I got the remaster collection that came out on Xbox 360, I played it and I ran into a nurse and I was so scared that I ran in the opposite direction. 30 minutes later, I finally stopped running. I was running all types of crazy. And then I finally sold it because I was too chicken to go back to it. I should not have sold it though. That's why I've been waiting. So now that they remastered it, maybe someday I'll get it. But I want to know why we never see the original Silent Hill re-released. I don't understand that. Still haven't hit Steam Start again, huh? Okay. Oh. Oh, the song. That's what I wanted for it. I wanted to add this to my playlist. I know I made a new list. Yeah, I'm trying to get a new selection of songs I really like. Most of it's city pop though. I'm liking a lot of city pop, and this is one I definitely like a lot. What? How dare they? Okay, then I had to get the PS3 version. Then screw it. I had to rebuy the PS3 version. I actually had them on my eBay listing to try to get. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on, but it doesn't look like I'll be able to test it without stopping the stream. So I guess I'll try it tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow when I go streaming again, because otherwise I have to stop everything. And it's something with Windows. I don't understand because there's cases of Steam that are not letting me shut it down. I can't force it to shut down. I don't know. And I can't delete it. Oh wow, I didn't know I could measure that. Okay, let me see something. Exit stream. How about that? Can I exit stream? That fix it. Okay, I never heard this song before. I'm liking this one. Okay, I guess Steam doesn't want to open up anymore. I keep trying to exit it, but won't let me exit it without rebooting the whole system. Darn it. Okay, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and just restart the whole system, okay? I'll probably be back in about. Actually, no. I really want to do this. Yeah, I'm going to just restart the system. That'll be the easiest way to do this. Just give me a few moments. I'll probably just start it up on Kick, though. I'll restart it on Kick, and you guys can see if it works or not, okay? Because there's something wrong with Windows, and it's another Windows update that's causing a problem. Okay. But stop the stream. And stop the YouTube. I don't know. Will it work or will it not work? I don't know. I'm about to find out. I don't know if it's going to work. I didn't push stop. Maybe that's a problem. Okay. Am I live or am I Memorex? Oh, okay. So you are seeing me. Okay. So YouTube is working again. Okay. I was trying to find out which Windows update that was causing the problems to see if I had to uninstall it or something. But no. Okay. Looking for. Well, at least I know the YouTube's working. I'm not sure about Kick though. It should be working, I think. I hope. Oh. Yeah, I'm here. I don't know why it keeps putting the stream preview when I keep telling I don't want it. Okay. So we do have it downloading. We're at 54% now. Hopefully it should be okay. Because I'm having to go to the C drive. Now we have the file that was already saved, the marbles.cb. Open up the Social Stream Ninja again. So if anyone types in, okay, good. That's good to hear. And then I can turn back on my music. I guess because I forgot to, last time I streamed, I forgot to stop the stream for about an hour, close to not an hour, but like 20 or 30 minutes before it was actually noticed it. That was kind of unplanned, I assure you. Okay, what about light music? Music that I liked. There we go. Okay. So, if anyone else wants to test out my script, type in !marbles, and I will see if it still works. Hopefully. 80% done. And we're gonna see if it works. Hopefully. 80% done. Why did I hear myself? Oh, I don't know. Why do I hear myself? Shut up. Let's dance. Ah, okay. Yep, there it is. There it is. Why is that an empty space? I don't know. I'm not sure if that's going to cause a problem or not, but we'll see. Actually, I'm going to delete that just to be on the safe side. Just to be on the safe side. Boy, dance. Now, if I'm right, if my calculations are right, anyone who watches me on any platform will be able to be joining our marbles game. Why do you keep? You know what? Just shut up, kid. You're gonna make me angry, kid. Okay. Yep. If I'm right, everyone who joins this, all I have to do is check how many are in here, and it should work. Now I do remember what the video said for the rest, so I'm gonna open up Marbles on stream and pull this off. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go for whatever's default. Let's dance. Where's by? Okay. Rev share. Huh? What? Marbles creator? What do you mean Marbles creator? As a Marble stream creator, you are eligible to have your own creator code. What? Huh. Well, oh man. Archaeologist, type in exclamation point marbles for me. I want to test something. 250 Twitch followers. Check. 500 YouTube followers. 500 or 500 TikTok followers. I have all three of them. I qualify. I qualify. I qualify. I qualify. Why not? If this works, then I will be playing marbles more frequently. Especially during chill times. Oh, I'm not showing you that. Hell no. I don't know what the hell that's thinking. Hell no. No. What does it ask me to do here? Connect. I think I'm already in their Discord server. I don't think I've ever left it. Oh, come on. Oh man. I gotta do a multi-factor authentication. Why can't you just let me connect it to the website, to the app? Jeez. Okay, fine. Stood at a bad angle. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me do this. Okay, found you. Your button is irritating. Huh? Oh. Shoot, I pushed the wrong button. Nexus. Nexus.gg. What's next? I never heard of this. Or do it, did I? I don't remember. I'm signed up to so many services. I don't know what is what anymore. Okay. I've done everything that they asked. Okay. My application has been received by Pixel Studio. It wants me to add an avatar. Oh, come on. Do I even have an avatar ready? Why would I have an avatar ready? That's extra work. Yes. Okay. How do I save? Oh, yeah. There you save over there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I ain't dealing with all that mess. I just wanted to get the essential set up. Okay. 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 And I already signed up. My marbles over here. The points are too. Yeah, we got our own music. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we're set. I think we're set. I think we're set. Okay. Okay. What I missed? Well, stay safe for a little bit because we're about to do something really amazing. We're about to set it up where people on Kick, YouTube, and Trovo will be able to play marbles on stream. So we're about to see if it works. All of our work that we put into this, if it's gonna pull it off. Okay, so let's go find our one of our favorite ones we like to play. Where is the? Come on, you guys know which one I'm looking for. The dojo. There it is. Okay. Okay, so go to settings. Wait a sec. Okay, there's something missing here. That's not what I asked for. Yes. Discord exit. Okay, what did we miss? It's something I missed. They changed the interface, so I don't know exactly where it is. So let me see if I can find out where it is. I'll turn it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm looking for that video we were watching earlier. And I need to find that last step. Last step. What was I looking for again? History. Where's my history? Okay, there it is. By the way, you guys, I'm not embarrassed by my YouTube history because you guys have already seen most of the channels I'm subscribed to in the Discord. Where are you? We were watching it, weren't we? What the heck? It should have been the last video before this one. There it is. I'm about to say.
Marbles on Stream is a marbles racing game where you can have each of your live stream viewers become a marble and race other viewers on crazy physics-driven tracks. Viewers have only ever been able to join the marbles race using chat commands if the stream has been through Twitch. Until now, I will show how you can have viewers join the marbles race through chat commands on your YouTube live stream by using Streamerbot. You'll need to import the text code into Streamerbot for the actions and the commands. You'll find that in the description of this video or in the import section of wherever you're watching this video. So you'll take the text.
Okay. Let me just watch through and make sure I didn't miss any steps.
Go over here to Streamerbot. Hit the import button. Paste it in here. You should see the name Haunter's Marbles on Stream for YouTube with 3 actions and 3 commands. Go ahead and hit the import button.
Yeah, we set it up where it works outside of just YouTube.
Our commands are here and our actions are here. The next thing you need to do is go to your File Explorer You're gonna want to create a new file. So I have
Do I hear something
mine in a
familiar?
funny folder here called text files. Go ahead and create one. Let's go to new text document. We're gonna name it Marbles Video.
See, that's he's messed up with those scripts. It makes me angry.
To the Marbles list.
Let's get back to where we were.
One more
that part that just made me mad.
Here, and we got the button right now, and the message that the list is just text commands, whatever on stream. Okay, first we're going. So now that we have everyone entered on the list, we will go into the Marbles game. So here we have Marbles on stream. Okay, first we're going to go to race.
Okay. Race. Okay, we're on the race, right? Yep. Okay, we're on the race. Okay, that's where it was. Okay, I was wondering, they changed the interface of it from what the version he has. That's why we had trouble finding it. Vanish. Let's see. Uh-oh. It's already in. Everybody's in. It's working. It worked. Everyone's working. I don't know where my gamepad is hiding yet. It's hiding and I can't find it. Ouchie, my foot hurts. I need to move this over. That's not the one that I need. That's the PS3. That is the Switch. That's the PS4. The PC one is missing now. Oh dear, what the heck is going on? I don't know. I'll just push the button just to see what's going on. I get so cold. The phone I'm already dead. And with this system, I can easily manually add when somebody is adding it from a different platform. Well, I'm already dead, so. There's JL. There you are. Oh, yeah. Oh, ducky, ducky. Uh-oh, Quay's gone. He got flung out. JL's still fighting, though. But I think this might be the end. Oh, yep. Congratulations, archaeologist, you won. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wait a second. Archaeologist, are you hearing music from Evangelion? Did you just hear music from Evangelion on YouTube? That's bad. That's not supposed to happen. That's not supposed to happen. Okay. Oh, scare me for a second. God dang. Okay. Okay, good, good. I was worried when you said the song from Evangelion. You heard me, yes, but I thought you were hearing the music that was playing. But yeah, it works now. So if anyone else types in exclamation point marbles, it will automatically update it, I believe. I wonder. I need someone else to test it. Is anyone else watching that isn't in the race yet? Actually, I can just test myself. Oh, okay, I can't do that. I guess I can't. What's wrong with Jillian? I guess I can stay with that. Oh, macaroni. Why doesn't it ever read the numbers? We can do marbles on stream for everybody on any platform. Yeah. So now we have something fun we can do for chill streams now. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. We pulled off the impossible. We made something that's designed to work only on Twitch and made it work elsewhere. This is one of the ones I really wanted to push over. And yesterday the day before yesterday, I was able to make words on stream work without having to require Twitch too, where people could actually play it from their phone just like they would when we play Jackbox together. And plus, when we're on Kick, you guys could actually, I'll have song requests on, so you guys could just pick out the songs you want me to play while we were playing it. Actually, now that I think about it, now that I'm thinking about it, I have a crazier idea. Whoa, you almost got zapped! You won again. You almost got electrocuted though. That was crazy. Quay must have got electrocuted. But the other Quay made it. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ha! Well, this knucklehead like to pull off the impossible. Oh. Oh, looks like there's a playlist here, huh? So let me switch my audio source. I don't know, I was thinking that. Oh, shoot! I'm sorry! Try it again. I was trying to play it, but then I accidentally erased it. You might have to try to add it one more time. Probably. Try one more time, I think. Now, before it does that, I'm going to see. Refresh. Now, do I have that set up? There we go. I'm going to try something real quick. I'm going to see if I can manually add now. Or do I have to keep changing it? Or do I need to change it? And go back? Just to be on the safe side. Okay. So I do need to refresh the bots each time, huh? Oh. How did I get to that again? Oh, it's here. Oh, okay. I need to clear. So I can. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it keeps connecting. Okay, that's weird. Okay, OBS is acting really weird right now. It's crashed twice now. I hope you guys are still here. Okay, good. For now, it might be dying this again because I think it died twice. So if it hasn't died the second time, it's going to. I got faith. But yes, I was able to change the playlist, change the player list manually. So I literally had the power to adjust everything. How did I get the name? Oh my gosh, what the hell? Oh, okay, I see now. Okay, I see why. Oh. Oh, so many people are dying now. Okay. Sandy AJ is 0. What do you mean 0? That changed. That add something to my space? Okay. Oh, my name is too long. First time my name is the one that's too long. Okay, well, we pulled off the impossible, right? We managed to make Marbles on Stream work for more people to see and play. I'm happy for that. So it's 1:07 a.m. now, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream for now. And I will be back tomorrow night to debut Neo 3. So I'll be downloading that tomorrow and getting it ready so you guys can see me play the actual game. And hopefully I won't suck as bad as I did with the demo. But now that I at least got the game mechanics down, I should be okay, right? 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 Okay. Let's go ahead and stop that. Yeah, I think there's something up with this system. I don't know. I did not choose all this. Night, night. And I'm going to stop the stream. Okay, you can stop that for now. And stopping the stream.